ਟਾਈਮਸ ਆਫ ਏਸ਼ੀਆ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਸਰੋਤਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿ ਦੀਪਕ ਸੰਧੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਅਤੇ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਤੇ ਅਤੇ ਆਦਾਬ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ O&O ਕੰਪਨੀਜ਼ ਲਿਮਿਟਡ ਦੇ ਓਨਰ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਰਵੀ ਜੀ ਐਂਡ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਿਸੇਜ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਜੀ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਓਨਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਲਿਟਲ ਸੀਜ਼ਰਸ ਦੀ 3rd ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜੋ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਮੈਕੋਨੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੋਲੀ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਰਵੀ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। Hello Ravi ji, how are you doing today?
Hi, very good. How are you?
Good. First of all, we would like to congratulate to opening in a 3rd location in Edmonton.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The first question I would like to ask you is, in a COVID time, it's a pandemic time, you know, the unemployment rate is pretty high, right? And you are taking this initiative to add another location, you know, in your restaurant chain, and this is a big step to, you know, increase more jobs, right? What do you say about that?
Well, definitely it's a very difficult time right now. I have to remove this because otherwise I cannot talk. It is difficult time for sure, but we have decided from past 2 years that we want to open as many as location possible and under our capacity. We are happy to open this, and we have created almost only for this location we have created like 18 jobs altogether in our all the restaurant, including we have more than 68 staff members, excluding managers. So we are happy that we are trying to do something for the community, and during this COVID situation as well, we have not laid off any of our staff because we understand how difficult it is. The business goes up, goes down, but this is a cycle and we have to live in it, right?
So we have here our Edmonton MLA, NDP MLA Nielsen. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How about yourself?
Good sir. What would you say about this initiative Mr. Ravi and his wife Khushbu took this?
Well, I think this goes to the entrepreneurial spirit that's here in Alberta, especially to be able to operate during these extreme times that we find ourselves in. And so, but I still think it's incumbent upon the provincial government to be able to step up, make sure that our business owners are able to continue to operate, they're able to pay their employees, but be able to keep their businesses open at the same time. So, but again, what an incredible time to see yet another new business opening up and providing jobs for Albertans.
But this is also a tough time, for the small businessmen, right? Because small businesses are struggling big time, So what is your message to the community so they can come out and support these kind of, small businesses?
Well, as they always say, shop local. My riding of Edmonton Decor is known as the shopping district, and so there's a lot of small businesses are there. And so when we get the opportunity to support our small businesses, maybe instead of cooking that one night a week, maybe come and spend some money in a small business owner's establishment and help move the economy along and keep people in their jobs.
Thank you. So we have here MLA Jasveer Deol as well from Edmonton Meadows. So let's talk to Mr. Deol about this. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
So sir, as you know that Mr. Ravi and his wife, they are going to open this location officially. So what would you say about this?
First of all, I just wanted to say Raviji and Khushbu are very, very lovely people, and Raviji, very good friend of mine, very dedicated, very hardworking person. He has, grown his business for last few years, I would say, and not only growing his business, he has very good heart, and I'm watching him very closely, setting up the events to pay back to community. That's I really appreciate, and specifically when he decided to take this risk and keep going in the time, in a very unprecedented time, the pandemic we are going through, and I just wish him not all the best, and not only congratulate to him, but also ask communities to support him as much as they can, and this small business, as Mr. Nielsen has mentioned to you, is not only incredibly in a time they are going through, they need help. We are asking the provincial government to support, but they are also very, very important for the strong communities, the strong economy of our province. And once again, I wish all the best to Ravi and Khushbu and congratulate them for the opening ceremony of this business. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to share my views with you, Times of Asia. Thank you.
ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਅੱਜ O&O ਕੰਪਨੀਜ਼ ਲਿਮਟਿਡ ਦੇ ਓਨਰ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਰਵੀ ਐਂਡ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਜੀ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ 3rd ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਿਟਲ ਸੀਜ਼ਰਸ ਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਕੌਨਿਕੀ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੋਲ੍ਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ 4-5 ਹੋਰ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ ਵੀ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ 18 ਜੌਬਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਖੋਲ੍ਹਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ 60+ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ EMPLOYE ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਪੈਂਡੇਮਿਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, COVID-19 ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ EMPLOYE ਨੂੰ ਲੇ ਆਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸ਼ੁਭਕਾਮਨਾਵਾਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਲਈ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਹਾਰਡ ਵਰਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ, ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਗੇ ਰਹਿਣ। ਟਾਈਮਸ ਆਫ ਏਸ਼ੀਆ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ